Today I am reviewing the Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S2. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the vacuuming performance, because the jump from the previous generation is staggering. Eufy upgraded this model to their AeroTurbo 2.0 system, delivering 30,000 pascals of fade-free suction with 100 air watts of airflow. On hard floors, standard dust and crumbs are a complete afterthought, but where this power truly shines is on carpets. It features a multi-cone cyclonic separation system that actually pulls fine dust, pet dander, and deep allergens out from 3 centimeters deep within carpet fibers. If you have thick rugs or high-pile carpets, you can physically see the difference in how refreshed the fibers look after a pass. More importantly for pet owners, Eufy includes their DuoSpiral dual spiral main brush alongside dual anti-tangle side brushes. This design is certified by TVSD for zero hair tangles. In my testing with long human hair and heavy dog shedding, the brush roll genuinely prevents hair from wrapping tightly around the core. Instead, the hair is guided directly into the suction channel. It is a massive relief to finally have a high-powered robot vacuum where you do not need to sit with a pair of scissors every weekend cutting away tangled hair nests from the roller. Moving on to the mopping system, Eufy uses the HydroJet 2.0 always self-cleaning roller mop, and this is where the robot completely separates itself from standard traditional vibrating mop pads. Instead of dragging an increasingly dirty, damp cloth across your entire home, the S2 uses an active rolling mechanism that applies 15 newtons of continuous downward pressure while spinning at 240 revolutions per minute. As it moves, the robot constantly injects real-time electrolyzed water through 32 precise injection holes to sanitize your floors, achieving a certified 99.99% germ removal rate. A built-in scraper continuously removes dirty water from the roller in real time, pulling it into an internal dirty water reservoir inside the robot itself. This means the surface touching your floor is always clean, preventing streaks and stopping cross-contamination between rooms. For homes with mixed flooring, the intelligent carpet cleaning strategy is incredibly well thought out. The Omni S2 can automatically lift its entire chassis up to 2 inches high, while simultaneously lifting the rolling mop. When it transits from hardwood to a thick area rug, it detects the change instantly, lifts the wet roller completely clear of the carpet fibers, boosts the suction power to maximum, and cleans the rug without leaving a single drop of moisture behind. It also recognizes and actively avoids tasseled rug edges, which prevents the frustrating jams that plague lesser navigation systems. Edge and corner cleaning have also seen a major upgrade thanks to the corner overside brushes. The vacuum dynamically extends its side arms into deep corners to sweep debris into the suction path, while the rolling mop adjusts its angle to stay within 5 millimeters of your baseboards, leaving virtually no uncleaned gaps along the walls. All of this hardware is guided by the CleanMind AI system, utilizing 3D Matrix AI 2.0 navigation. Backed by a 3D time-of-flight sensor and an RGB camera, the S2 recognizes over 200 types of common household obstacles, from stray shoes and power cords down to small toys as tiny as 0.4 inches. It maps out precise layouts seamlessly and maneuvers around chaos without constantly getting stuck or slamming into furniture. It also features an impressive mechanical threshold crossing capability, climbing over single-step transitions up to 1.4 inches and double-tiered transitions up to 1.65 inches, allowing it to move between rooms with drastically different flooring heights effortlessly. Everything ties back to the 12-in-1 hands-free UniClean station. This base station handles almost all the dirty work for you. It automatically empties the dust bin into an antibacterial dust bag that holds up to 68 days of debris. When a mopping cycle completes, the station washes the roller mop with 140-degree Fahrenheit hot water mixed with automatically dosed detergent, then dries it thoroughly with 131-degree Fahrenheit hot air to prevent any sour odors or bacteria growth. It even features a built-in fragrance diffuser that distributes a clean scent into your living space during the process. The station also features a clear LCD screen on the front face that gives you immediate, real-time status updates on water levels and charging cycles. Just keep in mind that the dock requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, as 5 GHz networks are not supported. If there are any trade-offs to consider, the advanced water recycling system on the robot means the clean and dirty water tanks in the base station are slightly smaller to accommodate the complex dock architecture, so you will find yourself refilling the fresh water and emptying the wastewater a bit more frequently than on basic pad washing stations. Additionally, with so many high-power systems running simultaneously, the total battery life lands around 150 minutes on standard settings, meaning exceptionally large luxury homes might require the robot to return to the dock for a quick top-off charge before finishing the entire layout. Overall, the Eufy Omni S2 is a true powerhouse that successfully bridges the gap between elite carpet vacuuming and hygienic hard floor scrubbing. It eliminates the manual labor of detangling hair, washing mops, and constant emptying, making it an outstanding premium choice for families, pet owners, and anyone who wants completely immaculate floors without lifting a finger.